Thai street food is well known all over the world, so just follow me as I spend a whole day with a local chef. We cook, we chop and eat some of the most amazing Thai dishes. So let's talk about the local food in Thailand. How and what does the local people eat? On the market, I met A. She has her own restaurant and she goes out to the market every day to pick the best produce from the region.
Tomorrow. I get the chicken. Thank you. Because, okay.
Fish,
Yeah.
chicken,
Chicken, crab.
the crab you have,
Yes, I have crab.
and the veggies
Yes.
we are picking up in your garden. That's it.
Okay.
So we go back?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
And everything else she finds in their own garden? Well, let's go! Well, aubergine, cashew leaves, betel leaves, and leaves and herbs I haven't seen before.
Yes. Manpu. You get one on the blade, on the plate?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we started the kitchen action.
So this, all the greens we collected, and this will go together with the beans and the chicken in the pan.
You can take.
We were a little lost in translation, but anyway, cooking is a language on its own. And she was showing me her little kitchen
Put it all
secrets.
together.
Yeah, put
This
it on the
crab
Yes.
meat and this, I think it's the shrimp paste that makes this umami,
Yes, umami.
or maybe this one.
Yep, this one. So I'm really not here for judging, but when we talk about the real Thai food, we have to talk about MSG, aka glutamate.
Lemon,
Lemon,
pepper, sauce.
salt, secret.
Yes. ผงชูรส
Yeah.
You get the sugar.
And sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thais just love it. From Chiang Mai to Bangkok and from Bangkok to Suratani. If you don't want it, you have to say that in advance. That's how it is.
Can taste. น้ำปลา
Nampla.
Okay.
Yeah, I love it.
Yes.
Nampla
น้ำปลากะปิ
Chili
chili
Coconut
coconut
and lime.
yes
That's
Lip.
Thai cuisine.
Yes, that's how it is. Fish sauce, garlic, chili, lemongrass, lemon, fish, chicken, herbs, and coconut. This is everything you need to make a really good Thai
Get it on the
dish.
table you can
So,
no you can yeah
fishy. You want one?
fishy no I have little you get
Little.
yes you get the rice
Some rice.
some rice with the coconut you get the plain rice You
That's
get-
the rice with the coconut.
yes rice with the coconut you get the little
So, let's try the fish.
yes
Oof. Oof. Crispy.
yes very good
Crispy and juicy. And
you get for madam it is the Thai curry with crab okay
Aroy?
อร่อย
So, are you ready to taste Thailand yourself? Then go and book your next culinary experience with Two Blue Hotels. Go to our webpage and book your next culinary adventure right now. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get some more exciting travel footage. See you soon.